To slice the pagaga leaves, I'm going to put the English name down here. But the way that you slice it is not so fine. Don't slice it too fine. Okay, just like cutting each individual leaves into halves. Like that. See? Because if it is too fine, it's not going to be a Malay salad. This is the way that we like it. And finish up all of the stalks of the pagaga leaves. Okay, so this is shrimp cake. A cake that is made out of shrimp. You know those little tiny prawns? So what we do is, by the way, shrimp cake, is made famously in Malacca. So what we do is, we turn on the flame and we do not put any cooking oil into the frying pan, and then we just let it burn. So how do we know that it is ready? You see this? It's dark in color in the middle. That is almost done. But you can see on the side, it is still like light in color. So what you do is, you have to turn it around little by little until it produces some fumes, some scent, beautiful shrimp scent. And then you are ready for the next process. And these are all the ingredients that we are going to blend together. These are dried shrimp, shallots, lots of shallots, little bit of garlic there, bird's eye chili, red bird's eye chili, big red pepper, and this is we call chako. I'm going to put the English name down here. And of course, this is turmeric, fresh turmeric. And all of this is going to be blended together along with some anchovies, Ellen's favorite. Haha. So you might ask, how fine do you blend the ingredients into? Okay, to this kind of texture. Right? You can imagine that if you are a good blender user or an experienced blender user, this is how it should be. So this is also being mixed with the shrimp cake that we have just baked just now. Okay, here comes our coconut shreddings, white coconut shreddings. So what we do to it is, we burn it as well, just as the same as what we did to the shrimp cake, the belacan just now, without any cooking oil, anything. You just mix it around in a wok. You just might want to get rid of some of the coarse coconut skin that is still in there, the coconut husk. So you are going to just burn it. As you see, there's some like coconut husk in there, which you have to take away, or else you're going to have a hard time munching on it. So you're going to burn it until it becomes a little bit brownish. As you can see, it's slowly becoming yellow and a little bit becoming brownish, like so. So this is how the coconut shredding should be. A little bit brownish, yeah. It's not like you have to do it like brown like me, like my skin here. No. So the main purpose is to dry it up, takes most of the moisture away from the coconut shreddings, and then here it goes in the blended ingredients. And then you slow down the flame, reduce the flame, and mix it around with the ingredients that you have just blended just now. Ooh, you can smell the aroma rising up into the air. This will attract your neighbor to just ask for some, right? But of course, they are not always in. Living in an apartment, nobody is always in their homes. They are always eating out. But not like ourselves. We like to save, being economic, and eat at home always as much as we can. And also, we enjoy cooking so that we can share this recipe and cooking videos with you guys. Okay, the salt goes in. As always, I love to use pink mountain salt and also some flavoring seasoning powder, which is MSG in short. And then while holding one hand on the wok with a cloth so that you will not burn your hand, you just continue to fry them up until it becomes dry. Quick, let's switch on the cooking hood. Alright, let's put in our greens, the pagaga, or you guys in the West call them Centella asiatica. Put it in. Yeah, it goes into the wok. And also bean sprouts, lots of them, yeah. And continue with the fun of mixing it up. Okay, right now you turn off the flame. Turn off the flame and then turn off the cooking hood, the ventilation fan, and then you just mix it all around with the coconut mixture and the blended ingredients. And you do this until everything is well mixed up, and then it's ready. Also, take note that with the heat that is still in the coconut ingredients, the coconut mixture, it will just wilt down the greens, the vegetables, bean sprout, and then it's ready. So let's lay them on a beautiful plate to be served to the diners. Diners. Whee! Look at this, guys. It's ready. Let's give it a try, guys. Yep, just make sure that with each of your scoopings, or what you call it when you use chopsticks to pick up food, one grab, right? Make sure that you have everything in there, the coconut ingredients, the agaga, Centella asiatica, and then the bean sprouts, right? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh man, heavenly. The taste of the Centella asiatica, the pagaga, is like 10% the same as peppermint. So it's like 90% reduced from the taste of peppermint leaves. And then you have the bean sprouts, which is crunchy because you don't actually cook it or fry it, right? Because that's what salad is all about. It has to be fresh. And then the coconut ingredients is just for flavoring, right? So basically, salad should be healthy, but of course, when you put in the shrimp cake, I don't think that's a hazardous thing for your health, right? It's not that bad. Anchovies is good, but yeah, that's it. You don't even use cooking oil, right? Yes, I don't remember putting cooking oil there. It's just the moisture from the ingredients that we just blend together that comes up with the moisture, so that it's just enough to cook it all. That's it. So I believe this is a very healthy dish and tasty too. Alright. Try this. If you like to taste how good it is, you have to try it yourself, right? So there you are. For me today, thank you for joining me. So till we meet again, cheerio and bon appetit.